working tirelessly to give you the best of your investment. Now, if you have not invested in Royal Gate Estate yet, it is not too late, for it is still selling for 3 million naira for a full plot and have a plot at 2 million naira. Now, this is going to change very soon because from the 20th of December, this property will be selling for 4 million and 2.5 million respectively. So book an inspection with us today and come to tour this beautiful property. I'm Precious from CMW Properties Limited. I hope to hear from you soon. Bye.